Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. And I'm going to show to you this day or in this video, how do I use Audacity um, to give reviewers to my private students. My students are actually Chinese students. And yeah, so let's not take it long. Okay, so I'm going to share to you my screen. Yeah, and of course, yeah, here. Now, I used to talk with my students via Zoom. Via WeChat, and our class is in VooV. Now, I use Audacity to give them the record of the words and the sentences they need to learn. Okay, so here I've given them already. Actually, my one of my students. So I've given her the key words and sentences that they need to or she needs to study. So right now, I'm going to show to you how do I use Audacity. So I'm going to click here, the Audacity. Okay. Now, I see to it that everything here is in full. Yeah, it's just how I use it. Okay. So if you're new to Audacity, yeah, you can just simply um turn it on or open the window of the Audacity, and then just simply put everything in full. You can click here to start monitoring the level of your recording. Okay, like this. Hello. So that is if you can see that that is moving, that means that you're using your microphone here. Your earphones microphone or your headset's microphone. You can, yes. Now, if you're new in Audacity, and even if not, so you can just simply record yourself, your voice. Okay, so this will be my script here. Okay, but I'm not going to read a question and the answer. I'm just going to read the sentences right away. Okay, now this is how I do it. I will record. I will click this button red and start talking. Okay, who is behind the tree? Timmy is behind the tree. Okay. Now, actually, this part here is or is the record or the words and the words I was saying earlier. Start talking. Okay. Okay. That's it. So I can just simply put the cursor here and then drag going here and then press delete on the keyboard. Delete on the keyboard. Okay. So it will be deleted. Now, you can hear who is behind the tree. It's very noisy. Yeah, right. Why? Because my air conditioning is noisy. I think my microphone doesn't have natural noise canceling. So I use I use Audacity to clean my voice records. And um during my class, it's kind of quiet because even if my air condition is turned on, because because my the platform that I'm using has its natural voice or noise canceling. Not the voice canceling, but the noise canceling. Now, listen to the noise. Yeah. Let's try to get rid of this noise, okay? First, you're going to highlight, okay? Highlight. Then choose effect and then choose noise reduction, then get the noise profile. Then control A to select everything or to select all. Yeah, that's way easier than dragging. Okay, it's very convenient to just press the control A to select all in your keyboard. Okay, now choose effect and then noise reduction and then okay. You can see there is changes right now. Highlight this part again. Please do not include this in highlighting, okay? Just this part. Highlight it again. Go back to the process, like going to the effect, go to the effect, noise reduction, get the noise profile, control A to select everything, then go back to effect, noise reduction, and then okay. Now let's try to listen. Who is behind the tree? Timmy is behind the tree. Okay, that's way better now, right? So we can get rid of this last part because it's unnecessary. We can also trim this part. Okay. Now we can actually still hear some small noise, right? Like a static. So we can go back to the process, uh, highlight, effect, noise reduction, get noise profile, control A to select everything, then noise reduction, and then okay. Now let's try to listen now. Just this part. We can no longer hear any noise, right? So this time you can already export it as MP3, MP3, I'm sorry. Who is behind behind the tree? Actually, I already have the file here. Okay? So let's listen to it. Okay? Audacity here. Who? Who? This one is who is behind the tree? Who is behind the tree? Is behind, okay? Now let's listen. Who is behind the tree? Timmy is behind the tree. It's very clear and clean, right? Okay. So that would be all on how I use Audacity to give some points to review to my students online. Thank you so much and see you in our next video. Bye.